Joey King reveals why she doesn't like to post too many coupley photos with Jacob Elordi on Instagram. And it's not for the reasons you might think. If you haven't seen The Kissing Booth yet, you better hop on your Netflix tonight because Joey King and her boyfriend IRL, Jacob Elordi, are absolutely adorable in this movie. So much so that fans have really fallen in love with their relationship off screen as well. But according to Joey King, that's not exactly a good thing. Because of how obsessed people have become with her relationship, she now second guesses posting coupley pics with her boo. Joey actually opened up to the Los Angeles Times saying, quote, "I guess I feel like it's almost scary giving people what they want so much because of how much people are obsessed with our relationship. I'm like, maybe I should keep some of that to myself." I go back and forth on that. We totally see where she's coming from, but I hope she'll still share a little here and there. One thing Joey definitely does not mind sharing on social media is her love for High School Musical. In a clip her friend Sabrina Carpenter posted on Instagram, you can see both Sabrina and Joey rocking out in the car to the song Stick to the Status Quo.
This is not what I want. This is not what I planned.
Joey actually then commented on the video saying, quote, like, "Is it okay to call ourselves iconic in this vid? Because I'm feeling like I really have a shot at playing Ryan if they remake High School Musical." Sabrina then responded saying, quote, "That's funny you didn't even give me a chance to be Sharpay once the solos came in. These girls are too cute, but right now I want to turn it over to you guys." Are you surprised that Joey doesn't like to post that many pictures with her boyfriend? And do you understand her reasoning behind it? Let us know right down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click right over here for another breaking news story, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels. As always, I'm your host Renee Ariel, and I'll see you next time.